everyone, welcome back to Kitchen of Flavors. Today I am sharing with you my very simple but easy and yummy banana cake recipe.
Okay guys, so we'll start by adding 3 cups of flour, quarter teaspoon salt, 2 pinches cinnamon powder and 2 teaspoons baking powder. Then we'll sieve it. Okay, since we are now done sieving it, we're going to keep this on the side and start with the next part. Okay, so now in this bowl we have kept 5 tablespoons of butter, and now we're going to whisk it to make it smooth. Okay, now it's smooth and creamy. In it we're going to add 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, and 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence. Now we're going to whisk it. Okay, now we're done whisking this. Now in it we're going to add at least 5 to 6 mashed bananas. Now whisk this together as well. Okay, since now we are done whisking this, we are going to start adding the dry ingredients we sieved earlier. We're not going to keep all of it at once. We're going to add, and we're going to whisk and do the same repetition till we are done. So now we are done whisking it. We're now going to start baking them. Okay, so here I have my buttered baking trays, and I'm going to start adding the mixture. We are not going to fill the tray, we're just going to leave it like half filled because the cake is going to then rise. Okay, we are now ready to keep them in the oven.
We are going to bake it at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. My banana cake is ready. We're now going to cut the cake and serve it. Ooh, it looks so yummy. This is how your cake is supposed to be. It looks really yummy. I can't wait to feast on it. See, this is how the cake is. It's a bit crunchy from the outside and soft from the inside. You can see the banana. It's so yummy. It's not so sweet, so it's really good for those people who have diabetes. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell next to it to get notified every time I upload a new video.